Hi everyone. Why go to Brasilia, Brazil? Well, in Brazil, locations in Brazil in federal district state surrounded by Bahia state. Brazil is the capital of Brazil. The main language is Brazilian Portuguese. There are 17 indigenous languages such as Boro and Canela. There are 12 other languages such as English and Spanish. There are 10 holidays in Brasilia, Brazil, such as New Year's Day, January 1st, 2025, Shove, Tuesday, March 4th, 2025, Easter, April 20th, 2025, Tiradentes Day, April 21st, 2025, Feast of Corpus Christi, June 19th, 2025, Independence Day of Brazil, September 7th, 2025, Our Lady of Eight Persidas Day, October 12, 2025. All Souls Day, November 2nd, 2025. Republic Day, November 15th, 2025. Christmas Day, December 25th, 2025. There are three art galleries in Brasilia, such as Galeria Feija Oswalville, Galeria Casa, Urban Arts South Wing. Three celebrities are Marcio A. Moroso dos Santos, Cristiano Peri, Pereira dos Souza, Rene Jesus Calveo, Marcel Amoroso dos Santos is born in 1974. Is a former professional soccer player. He is alive. Cristiano Pereira de Souza, born in 1977, former professional soccer player. He is alive. Rene Jesus Cabello, born in 2002, professional soccer player. He is alive. Type of government. The federal capital, Brasilia, has no mayor. Executive duties are carried out from the governor of the federal district. The governor of the federal district is Ibanez Venezuela Chavo Ferros Osuna. Governor of the federal Governor of the federal district is 4 year term, can be re-elected for a second consecutive term. There is a restriction, cannot serve more than 8 years in any 12 year period. This applies to governor of the federal district, governor of the 26 states. The voting age is 16. President of Brazil is Luiz Inácio Lula da Silva. He was sworn in on January 1st, 2023. President of Brazil serves a term of 4 years and may be re-elected for a second consecutive term. Two-term limit. Thank you for watching this video. Please press the like button. Please press the subscribe button. Bye.